Watch your folks and welcome to Dazzle Rebel Rides, and I'm on the Scout, it's dark, and I'm out to a bike night. Mode of vlogging. Love the Scout. So I've made a bit of a pledge to myself that I'm going to start getting out a bit more in the evenings on the bikes, especially as the as the nights start to get a bit lighter and the nice long summer nights creep in. I didn't do it enough last year. I got lazy. When I got home from work I thought, you know, so much easier to sit in the garden and have a beer, or this time of year sit in front of the telly. But I'm going to do a bit more this year. I want to get out and actually use the bikes more in the evening. And the reason I want to do it is because, you know, 2-3 hours out in the evening is time much better spent when you're on a motorcycle than it is sat in your ass in front of the box. Here we are, the White Hart. I have no idea how busy it's going to be because it's still March as I record this, and as you see I'm just heading out now. It's 7:15, ignore that. It's I keep this on British summertime because it hardly ever goes out in the winter. It's actually 7:15 and it's it was just getting dark. It was twilight when I left and now it's properly dark. Still a few bikes here though. How you doing, mate? You alright?
Good. God, you've got some cameras on this, haven't you? You've been vlogging while you're riding, or?
Yeah, been recording. Thought I'd get it all down.
I was hoping you were going to bring the big gear out, but this one's your wife's.
This is my missus, yeah. I was going to, but you had this one and my Kawasaki in the way.
Fair enough.
So I thought, you know what, it's already dark.
Yeah. That's some comfy looking seat, that is.
It is nice having that backrest. I mean, we got it for her because she's got a bad back. Well, she had a back operation, and it just gives a bit of support. Yeah. But I tell you what, under acceleration, that'll keep you in the seat. No, I don't think I will next week.
I'll go work. I think I'm about to do a beard trim. Look at that.
It's not exactly set the world alight, is it, this one? That's better. Well then, see you later. So that's the bike night done. Didn't stay too long, just over an hour. So one of the things I wanted to talk about was the Indian motorcycle world. Now from next week I'm going to be reintroducing the current members, the old school, the old guard, and also a couple of new ones as well. I think it's going to be a fantastic year for Indian motorcycle world this year. We've got some of the lads, Jay Fast, he's riding all the way down from Canada to California for the SCMM. Is that right, I think, lads? And you're going to have Bearded Bobber and Meatball Rebel are going to be there as well. Me and Open Rider might meet up at some point. It's all a bit up in the air at the minute. Might not happen. We'll wait and see. But I mean, all the guys and their channels are all up in it a bit this year. It's all getting really cool, and we're going to have loads of content for you. So starting next week, you're going to see some series of videos that is going to start introducing the 2019 Indian Motorcycle World group to you. Like I say, we've got some really cool content across all the channels. Everybody is, you know, independent, but we're all connected by the fact that we love Indian motorcycles, and we're just pooling our resources together, you know, just to try and spread the word out there a little bit better. In fact, I just went down there tonight to meet with a guy. I won't say his name on camera because I'm not sure if he wants to be known or not, but he's got a really cool Scout bobber. It's got a 1920 solo seat on it, Vance and Hines slip-ons. It's tastily done. Now, there's not really a great deal you need to do to a bobber to make it even cooler, but you know, the bits that he's done, you know, they're classy. They're nice little mods. So you never know, he might appear in a few future videos. I tell you what I need to do with this bike. It is my wife's bike, but I do need to convince her to get some better sounding pipes on it. I mean, it don't sound bad as stock, but it needs some more oomph, it needs some more throatiness, it needs some more growl. And if you agree to that, leave me a comment and say, Mrs. Rebel, please get some louder pipes. I think I have to be honest, this is probably the first time I've been out after dark on the Scout. I think if you look back through my videos, I don't think there's another night vlog that features the Scout. There's some that feature the Kawasaki ER6. There might be one that has the Chief in it, but I don't think there's one with a Scout in it. So this is a nighttime Virgin video. Sounds like a weird satanic band video, that, doesn't it? It's been a lovely warm day, lovely warm day, but now the sun's gone in. It's been down for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours probably actually, and it's really dropped now. Beginning to think I should have wore some thicker gloves. My nose is running. Oi, oi, Savaloy. Can smell Savaloy. It's dark and I'm wearing sunglasses. Oh, bit of engine heat. Oh, that's nice. I tell you what, maybe I should have worn my Viking jacket. That would have kept me warm. In fact, you will see some videos in the near future of me in the Viking jacket, because I will be giving it a more thorough going through. And that's it for today. Remember, as always, leave some comments, and if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.